Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this XTU J9 battery powered doorbell camera. Now these are super nice for just home security, also seeing when your packages arrive, seeing who's at your door, being able to talk to people while you're away. There's all kinds of uses for these types of cameras. We've got their user manual right on top. You've got these two stickers. You can put these on your windows, let people know that you are monitoring them with video. And we've got the video doorbell itself. Yeah, here is the button right here. Simply press that to ring the doorbell. And then you got the camera, of course, and you got the motion detection. Additionally, what I like is you got this chime. It takes 3 AAA batteries. It's got different volume modes, like different types of sounds that you might want. And it also comes with this unlock tool, kind of looks like a SIM eject thing. You put it in the bottom here, press in, and you're able to open up this back cover of the doorbell. And this is where you would put those screws that are included, by the way, along with drywall hooks into the wall, and that allows you to mount this thing. On the side of the doorbell, you've got the spot for the USB-C cable, which is included, by the way, USB-C to USB cable to charge this thing. You've also got a reset button, and then on this side you've got a slot for a micro SD card to go ahead and store footage. And that cover just snaps right back on. So currently the camera is recording, and this is the app that you are able to view the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and click the doorbell button. Oh, here it is. This is what pops up when you have a visitor. Take a look at this. Super attractive. So overall, I highly recommend this XTU J9 video doorbell. Thanks for watching.